It is really long. Hold on. I don't have any pants on, so. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this Luvme hair wig. I just got in the mail a few days ago and I wanted to kind of film me putting on for the first time. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money and I have bought a Upart wig from them before. So this one's actually the Upart body wave in 20 inches and they were having a sale. I think it was 20% off. I can't really remember, but you got like 2 free gifts with it. So I'm going to go through the box and everything they sent with it. The wig that I had from them before, which I love, if you've seen me with like long curly hair, it's either water wave or deep wave. I think it's water wave, Upart curly wig. I think I got that one in a 20 inch as well, but I did kind of cut it to my hair. So if you guys want a separate video on like a review on that one, how I install it and things like that, let me know down below. But we're gonna be focusing on this one today. I love the box and like the purple packaging. They always give like little gifts. I had opened this and used the little silk scarf when I put on my wig for Halloween. If you guys haven't seen it, you gotta go to my Instagram and check it out. But I was Kim Possible and I had bought this like copper wig from Amazon, and if you guys want a video on that, let me know, because I was kind of thinking about doing it, doing like a warm fall like makeup look and maybe putting that wig on just for fun. But yeah, they give you a little silk scarf, some bobby pins, a little cute hair clip, also some little tweezers. And they also sent me another one of these straighteners, which I've never used. They actually sent me one last time when I ordered the water wave one. And they also sent these little like highlight clip-ins, which I think are really cute. So I might try these today just to add like a little color, but we'll see. So this, and they also sent a wig cap. So this is how the wig comes right here. I did open it once, but I didn't try it on or anything. So this wig has the little adjustable straps in the back, has a clip back here. It also has clips like in the U part, and then you just cut this little string or whatever that is right there. But I love the idea of the U part wigs. If you guys watch my vlogs, I recently bought some extensions from Bellamy and bought with my own money. Because I've always remembered them having really good like hair extensions, and they really weren't up to the quality that I was used to, and I'm kind of disappointed. So that's when I ordered this. And the other thing is I don't have to straighten all my hair. As you can see, my hair is curly and I've been working really hard. I cut it to like get my curls to come back. So if I only have to straighten like, you know, a little bit of my hair, obviously it's a much better, you know, idea. But the only thing on these, which I could probably fix myself, is that I wish they had like combs right here on the sides to kind of like, you know, grip or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Or clips. But I mean, I could probably just sew some in there because I have some clips pretty much everywhere. So yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this little fabric. And I don't really tighten up this elastic right here. I kind of just attach it so that it's not in my way and it doesn't get caught in my hair, because these things get caught in my hair all the time. So what I'm going to do is I haven't put anything in my hair at all. And normally when I wear my curly one, I normally part it to the side and like put the U part right here. But now I'm gonna do it to the side. Middle parts of me don't really, I don't know. I don't think they look right on me. So I'm gonna do the same kind of thing. I'm just gonna kind of go in a little U kind of section some hair out, and like that's all I'm gonna have to straighten. I also like to leave like a little bit right here to kind of just make it look a little bit more natural. So maybe just like a ½ inch of hair right here, and then I kind of like to leave a little bit, and I'll kind of take some out along the entire like hairline right there. So if you can see, this is kind of like offset a little bit because I want to be able to clip this right here, and I'm going to kind of like twist this or kind of start my braid right here. I'm not going to do like a full braid down, but I'm going to show you guys kind of what I do when I put my U parts on. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. So since I kind of like to tuck this side behind my ear, I leave a little extra out just so it doesn't look so weird. But yeah, that should be enough right there. I'm just gonna twist this and kind of clip it down out of the way. And now I'm just going to basically just part my hair right down the middle of the back. This does not have to be perfect or anything. So I'm gonna get this side kind of brushed, and I'm gonna start my braid like this. So this is normally where I would clip the left side. So I'm gonna just start my braid right here and just kind of like braid a little bit. I really need to wet this. My hair got dry so fast. I'll be right back. I'm trying to be lazy, but so I'm just gonna spray my hair a little bit. Kind of got a little dry while I was doing my makeup, and I'm just going to give it a good brush through so it's nice and smooth. So now I'm gonna take this little section right here, and this is normally where I'm gonna clip that left clip. So I'm gonna start my braid and kind of braid it down a little bit first before I kind of add more hair in, because I want my clip to have something to hold on to. So I just kind of braid it a few times and then just like start adding hair to the side. So this does not have to be perfect. However, I like to keep my braid as close to the edge as possible. And the reason why I like to do that with these wigs, or like pretty much any wig that I put on, is so that the end of, or the back of the wig has something to kind of catch onto and hold on to, if you can kind of understand what I'm saying. So some people like to braid their hair back, but the back of my head is pretty flat. So I mean, my wig doesn't really have anything to hold on to, and I really don't like the look of when you can like see it come up in the back, if you guys understand what I'm saying. But it'll make sense when you see me put it on. So I'm just keeping the braid as close to the edge of my hair as possible. All right, so now I'm just gonna take a little rubber band, tie the end, and then I'm gonna move on to this side. So I'm gonna again spray, and I'm gonna again take that very top section just like this, and I'm gonna kind of pull it forward. That way my braid will kind of start going towards the front. And I'm just going to braid like normal, maybe like 3 or 4 times down, so that clip has something to hang on to. And then I'm just gonna start adding hair and braiding down towards the front. And like I mentioned, like how I wish there were combs on the side, I would be able to just stick the comb like right here and it wouldn't move. So I'll probably add combs. I really don't worry about it on my curly wig, because when your hair is curly, it's big, it's poofy, you can't really see anything. But I'm wondering if it'll be the same with the straight hair. So when I was buying the wig, I was kind of torn between the body wave and then the straight, I think it was. But then I watched a few videos and people were straightening them. They looked really good. So that's kind of how I decided to get the body wave. Because when you wash it, the wave will come back. Like if I wanted to just like wave or wand my hair really quick. So yeah. So now I'm gonna take some bobby pins. I'm going to first take this braid, pull it around the nape of my neck, kind of pin it right here on this side. And I just use like 2 bobby pins just to make sure it's like not gonna go anywhere. And then I grab this one and take it to the other side, and I like to do that. That way when I put the clip back here, it has something to hold on to so that it doesn't like rise up. So this is like my favorite alternative way to do like a braid down. So now I need to straighten this hair right here. So whenever I straighten my hair, because my hair is curly, I don't put any other products in it, because when your hair kind of hits the moisture, it kind of causes it to curl back up. So all I put in my hair is heat protectant. This one's by Silk Elements. It's the olive brand one. I need to go to Sally's today and get some more actually, because I am running out, and I plan on wearing this wig this weekend. So I'm just going to work that through. My hair is still a little bit damp, so I'm gonna take my blow dryer and my little blow dry Denman brush and just give it a quick little blow dry. And I like to blow dry it with this brush because I feel like when I do that, it's a little bit straightened, and I don't have to pass through it with my straightener as much. So yeah, I also have a video on my like curly to straight hair routine showing you like all the products I use. So I'll put that in a card if you guys want to check it out. So I don't really think I want to use this straightener yet. I don't know what it's made of. I really didn't look, but I'm gonna use my own straightener. It's a Babyliss Pro ceramic titanium straightener, and it doesn't damage my hair or like permanently straighten it. And I'm really cautious about that nowadays. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my own straightener, and I'm just going to straighten all of this really quick. All right, let me try this first. Let me clip this in the back first. Then this side. Then I'm gonna bring it down around my braid. So it's actually like hugging around the braid around my neck. There we go, that's better. I'm gonna clip down the back, and yeah, it ends up right here. And then, I'm gonna see. Yeah, then I'm gonna clip down this side right here. So next time I feel like I need to leave out a little bit more hair, but it feels pretty good. I just kind of need to blend my hair a little bit. So I'm just gonna kind of go around and kind of slightly curl and straighten these waves a little bit. Okay, you guys, so I honestly didn't think it was gonna take that much effort to straighten, but it's definitely something you have to take your time on. I kind of just did like a rough straighten over all of it because I have some errands to run, but I'm just going to kind of just fix my edges and stuff real quick. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was cracking up so bad last weekend. I was doing my hair in the bathroom, and my son just like was brushing his hair with a toothbrush, and I was like, kid, you watch me way too much. So I'm definitely gonna have to go through and like really take my time to kind of straighten this next time I put it on, or maybe I'll straighten it while it's off, like section by section, because it's still like wavy underneath here, so you can see it's kind of big. But I mean, I'm just going to run some errands. I have to get some makeup for clients and things like that. It is really long. Hold on, I don't have any pants on, so it is really soft even after I straightened it. That's kind of what's been my issue with like the extensions lately. It's just that they've been feeling really like stuck together and stringy, and not like this, like really soft looking. After you straighten them, this hair is such good quality. Like I feel like I'm only going to buy hair from Luvme now because their stuff is so good, especially that curly wig, you guys. Like I just sprayed water on it, brush it through, it curls back up. Like it actually acts like my hair, which is amazing. But yeah, I wanted to try these little highlights to see if they look good, you know, if I ever wanted to use them. So they're just little, oh, so there's a 2-clip one, so I'm guessing they make clip-ins, so I'm definitely gonna check those out. And then they have 2 little 1-clip ones, so I just want to see, you know. So what do you guys think? I think this looks so cute. I love this. I'm gonna be wearing these all the time. Like even if I straighten my own hair, I'm gonna move it up a little bit higher like this. That, right? Oh, maybe. I need like one of those little wax sticks though. Kind of lay it down a bit. Oh yeah, that's it. Y'all, that is so freaking cute. I can't. So my hairspray is downstairs in my studio. I'm probably gonna get like a wax stick to kind of lay this down a bit, and then just some hairspray just to kind of slick these flyaways. But you guys, this is so stinking cute. And I don't even feel like I need to like cut layers into it or anything like that. Like it just looks so good. So I'm definitely gonna be a regular customer. If you guys want me to do updates on like any of the wigs, like after a certain amount of time. I think I've had the curly one for about 3 or 4 months now, and I still love it. So if you guys do want to see me install that, review it, whatever, let me know. But yeah, I will leave all their information down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you guys all in my next video really soon. Bye guys.